So let's eat, come on.
Okay.
It's very rocky, huh?
Para sa Rizal, para sa'yo to!
We love you, Blooms!
And you're watching the Beanie Road Trip Adventure!
Good morning! Good morning! Ang sarap ng tulog ko kagabi, kaya good morning talaga. It is currently 7 AM. Ito na po yung pinaka-latest call time namin. Kaya parang hindi ito maaga para sa atin, no? Parang ang chill lang.
Hi, Blooms! It's a new, brand new, oh my God, it's a new day. Actually, ngayon, nandito pa lang kami sa van and hinihintay pa lang namin yung ibang girls. And alam niyo yun, kahit na sunod-sunod yung araw ng shoot namin, sobrang worth it niya kasi alam namin magiging maganda yung outcome ng mga pinuput out namin na contents. It's for you, Blooms. It's for you, everyone. At the same time, nasi-showcase namin